I mean, we already have enough of a struggle trying to do our own hair, trying to make sure it stays healthy and moisturized, trying to make sure we take care of it and it grows and nourishes. Hello Pon Gang, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shantae and I am the mother of the three beautiful Pon sisters. It is not a very good day here in Pon Paradise. So I wanted to do a new product review, product try out, and it's the Vernon Francois product line. And I've kind of been battling with myself internally about whether or not I wanted to do this video and post this video to my YouTube channel because it's not a good review, and this will probably be my first time doing a review on a product, and I absolutely did not like it. So not saying that I've never used a product that didn't work well for my hair or, you know, for one of my daughter's hair. Usually, you know, if it doesn't work great for one, there's four of us that I could choose from to, you know, be like, okay, well, it didn't work for Kalia, I'll use it for Lonnie or something. Or if it doesn't work for me, I'll try it on Kalia. And this product, I would not try it on anyone else in my household. Product is called Pure Afro. It legit is supposed to be for kinky, coily hair, and I was left wanting and very, very disappointed in the end result of the product. I mean, any product that claims to be for type 4 kinky, coily hair, like it's usually going to catch my eye because there's rarely, there isn't a whole lot of products out there that are geared towards only type 4 hair. I count on one hand, at least the ones that I've came across, that they advertise or the product says it is for type 4 curly coily hair, kinky coily hair, and it was a complete letdown. Like and I say that I've been battling with myself, you know, trying to post this review because this is somebody's work. Like, well, it's not somebody's, Vernon Francois, that's his name, but you know, this is someone's work. Somebody put in the time, at least I would hope that they put in the time and was dedicated with coming out with something for women of type 4 hair to use. And I mean, we already have enough of a struggle trying to do our own hair, trying to make sure it stays healthy and moisturized, trying to make sure we take care of it and it grows and nourishes, especially type 4, you know, hair. Like, it is just not something that is pleasing to the public. For one, a lot of people feel like it's nappy and you just ain't combed your hair. So when you come out with a product that is supposed to be for me and it doesn't help with me understanding my hair, helping me with detangling my hair, because that's always like my biggest thing when it comes to doing my hair at any point in time, is I hate detangling. So if your products aren't making that easier on me to want to love my hair, like, it's like you serve no purpose for me, you know what I'm saying? Like, and I feel like that's very harsh, and that's probably why I didn't really want to come on here and talk about the product, because, you know, this is something that somebody's worked on. But I was very disappointed, and I didn't want to come on here and like have a hate video. Like, I definitely don't want to be that person. But I'm gonna also be honest with you when I tell you that it left me just completely like a loss of words. It was like I had to abort the mission before I could even get to the styling products. And I feel like I'm not very picky with my products. Like, I don't need the snazzy bottle. I don't need the catchy, you know, phrase or anything like that. Like, just help me detangle, help me feel like my hair's not drying out, help me feel like, you know, my hair has been softened and moisturized. Like, that's the biggest things I'm looking for in any product that I use. Using the shampoo, it really did leave my hair it didn't feel like moisturized. It did feel clean, I will say that. I love a nice lather when I shampoo. I love to get the sudsy because that just feels like those bubbles just really help with cleaning the scalp. So it does do that, it does, but after rinsing it out, I didn't feel like there was anything, you know, drastic. And when there's products as cheap as $3-4 at Walmart that I can purchase and they leave my hair feeling moisturized and clean and help me with detangling, like, I'm just not gonna go out of my way to spend damn near $20 on your products. I ended up like aborting the entire video. Like, I was supposed to, you know, straighten my hair out, and I think I ended up just walking around with my hair in twists and wear, you know, some wigs for the next couple of days. I lost hope in the entire line. So I never got to use the styling products, and that's because, you know, I feel like with any product that I'm going to use or change to or, you know, try out, like the shampoo and the conditioner is supposed to be the opener for that product line. And if you fail at giving me a good shampoo and conditioner, like, hell no, I'm not gonna move on to the styling products. Like, you couldn't even supply me with a good shampoo. And I feel like shampoo is easy. Like, you just can't really mess up a shampoo. Like, I just need you to clean my hair. Like, that's it. I just need you to clean my hair and not completely dry it out. And I couldn't even get that from the openers of your collection, like your product line that is geared towards type 4 hair. I couldn't even get a good shampoo and conditioner, but you expect me to use a styling product? Like, no, I'm not. And you know, there are times that I've used a product and like I said, like it probably doesn't work for me. But I'm like, oh, but this may be a good product for Kalia, and she has type 3 curly hair. Or if it doesn't work for Kalia, I can be like, oh, okay, it might work for Alani, who has type 2 wavy hair. So like, my household is full of curl diversity. Like, none of my girls have the same texture, same curl pattern at all. Like, I'm definitely taking this back to Sally's and seeing if I can exchange it for something else. Like, I don't need to fight with my hair products. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't need my hair product to be a problem. Been natural for 6 years now, so I'm definitely not new to what works and what doesn't work for my hair, because I've been the only one styling my natural hair for the entire 6 years. Like, I've not allowed anyone else to touch my natural hair. I really have never done a wash day, and I wanted to start the wash day all over. Like, and let me reiterate, wash day for me takes anywhere from 8 to 10 hours. Because, and that's including the styling and the drying, all that, okay? If I'm doing a twist out, that's at least 4 days worth of me having to wait to see if my twists are dry. So, you know, like, wash day is already hectic. Like, I don't need a product to come into my wash day and completely make me want to like start over. Like, I don't have that kind of time, and I damn sure don't have that kind of patience. But for me, this was a total hell no. That I legit just had to cover my hair up that for like at least 3 days, because I didn't know what to do with my hair next. Like, I didn't want to flat iron my hair with the product in it, because then I'm like, okay, maybe it's not even a great product to use heat with. So and then what kills it is for type 4 hair. Like, you dedicated this product for my hair type, and I'm not seeing where it is for type 4 hair. And if your product can't help me with that, like, you ain't for type 4 hair. Like, you're not for type 4 hair. I did a very small clip because, like I said, all I did was shampoo and condition, and I aborted the mission after that. So maybe y'all see something that I ain't doing, or maybe there's something that I should have done that I didn't do. I don't know. I don't know, man. At this point, I just know I won't be using it. I already have washed and conditioned my hair off camera. This is the shampoo that I use, and it is for Afro hair, so kinky, coily hair. So on the back, he has his little quote on there talking about coily and kinky hair. Now for the directions, it says, wet your hair and work the shampoo into your scalp. Rinse thoroughly for best results. Use with the Pure Fro conditioner. So shampoo is shampoo. I don't feel like you can really mess up shampoo. I will say that I like the lather on it. It was nice and thick, but I didn't feel like it really softened my hair. Like there are some shampoos like my Mielle or my Curls, even my Aussie, that I feel like you can feel it's adding moisture and softening your hair. I didn't really get that from this shampoo, although I didn't feel like it stripped my hair, because there's some shampoos where I feel like my hair is like squeaky clean, and I do not like that feeling, nor do I like having to detangle squeaky clean hair. Like I want it to feel like it did at least moisturize. So not crazy on the high moisture, but it was a nice shampoo. It's very lightweight and it lathers very easily. For the conditioner, the PureFro conditioner, on the back again, it has another quote for him, and on the directions it says, shake before use, spray conditioner evenly or mid-length to ends, then apply lightly to the roots or wet or dry hair. Condition your hair into 4 areas, section your hair into 4 areas, work the conditioner in, then rinse. For dry and damaged hair, leave in for 5 minutes. For best results, use with PureFro shampoo. I was really excited about using this conditioner, mainly because it's a spray instead of, you know, the regular cream. So I was like really excited to be like, oh man, I can actually spray on my conditioner now, which I really like the idea of spraying on your conditioner, but this was a total miss for me. Like, it's like really watery, and I kind of like to apply my conditioner when my hair is like pretty soaking wet. And I just felt like it just all like dripped out of my hair. Cause you know, most conditioners with them being creams, you know, they stay in there regardless if my hair is soaking wet or not. And this, like I looked down and I could just see white just running down the side of my shoulder and my back. And it was just really disappointing. So I'm hoping I don't have to go back and add more. And then I don't really know if it really like softened my hair or if it's gonna have the slip that I need to detangle. So that's what we're gonna do now. And I'm really hoping that it does work out. All right, so at this point, I'm taking the plastic bag off of my head so I can begin my detangling process while the conditioner is still in my hair. After I take the first clip down, I can already see that the conditioner isn't gonna work for me. It doesn't like there's any product in my head. I don't know if it either just ran out of my head because, like I said, I could just see the conditioner running from my hair just down the drain, or if my hair soaked it up. So I ended up having to go back in with more conditioner, and with the spray is very easy to use, but it was just very watery, and I just felt like it wasn't giving me that softness that I need when you're detangling your hair. I even tried to go in with my brush to try to detangle, and yeah, it was very painful. Just trying to start the detangling process was very painful. So I ended up having to pull a product from the shelf from my many products that I have collected over time, and I ended up adding that conditioner to my head and detangling, washing it out. At this point, I have decided that I'm not going any further with the Vernon Francois product. And after washing out the conditioner from detangling with a different conditioner, I wore my hair in twists, and I just ended up slapping on a wig on my head. So that's why my head looks terrible in this video, because I just threw on a wig just to come on here and give this quick review. Thank you, Pom Pom Gang, for tuning in again for another video. Although this one wasn't a happy one or a pleasing one, you know, like I said, I want honesty to always be the forefront of my channel. Like honesty, open, and, you know, trying to be fair as best as I can. But I do want to try more products, of course. If there's a product you have your eye on that you just kind of on the fence about wanting to try or spend the money for, like, let me know down in the comments, because I'm open to trying new things, especially when it comes to my hair, because I feel like there's becoming more of a diversity for natural hair products, for natural hair, kinky, coily hair, curly hair. And like I said, the Pom Pom Sisters, we represent all of those curl patterns: kinky, coily, wavy, We have them all. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos on our YouTube channel. And we will see you guys next week. Thank you.